Imagine looking up at the night sky, where Jupiter once gleamed as our cosmic neighbor. Suddenly it twists, collapses, and pulses with blinding light. What if Jupiter, the gentle gas giant, transformed overnight into a pulsar, an unstoppable beacon of deadly radiation blasting through the solar system? Would this be the end of life as we know it, or the start of something unimaginable? Let's rewind. A pulsar, in reality, isn't just any star, it's the crushed heart of a massive sun that exploded in a supernova, leaving behind a city-sized core spinning with ferocious energy. Jupiter, it's big, but compared to a real star it's a cosmic toddler, barely massive enough to light a spark, let alone detonate. But what if the rules suddenly changed? Like the universe hitting hard mode. Maybe a burst of rogue dark matter or an alien prankster pumps Jupiter up to critical mass. Today our story isn't about what's possible, but what happens if the impossible comes true. If you're wondering, wait, does this mean my horoscope is ruined forever? Hold that thought, things are about to get much weirder. Crash zoom to Jupiter. The serene bands and swirling storms start to shrink, buckle, and then implode. Gravity goes berserk, squeezing a planet 1,300 times Earth's volume into a tiny, super-dense sphere, faster than your coffee cooling in a blizzard. Magnetic fields twist and snap, Jupiter's famous auroras crank up to 1 billion. The planet spins faster and twin beams of radiation ignite at the poles. Jupiter has become a cosmic chainsaw. Pulsars aren't just pretty light shows. Their magnetic fields are 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's, enough to wipe a laptop from orbit. Forget solar flares, try X-rays and gamma rays slicing through the sky, frying satellites, igniting atmospheres, and overloading power grids. Imagine waking up and finding your phone's GPS stuck in the year 1971. Earth's magnetic shield, overwhelmed. Cosmic static fizzes everywhere. Is this the end of technology? Or just the beginning of human offlining forever? Breathe. Technically, Jupiter's mass hasn't increased, so planets don't fly off into deep space. But every rotation, that deadly focused beam could rake across Earth. Kind of like living next to a malfunctioning lighthouse armed with a death ray. Radiation surges, night becomes as bright as day, the skies boil with ghostly auroras, mutations surge, crops wither, maybe the cockroaches finally get their shot at world domination, Earth risks climate chaos, DNA damage, even mass extinction, every pulse another roll of the cosmic dice. Maybe 2020 wasn't so bad after all? Could we shield cities with kilometers-thick lead domes? Build massive underground bunkers? Maybe Mars or the Moon now look downright cozy compared to radioactive Earth. Do world governments unite to survive or start the weirdest version of Survivor ever filmed? Humanity could splinter or emerge stronger than ever, vaulting faster into space out of sheer terror. But here's a twist. What if Jupiter's doom is another world's beginning? The intense energy might trigger wild chemistry on Europa, Ganymede, or Enceladus, those icy moons harboring hidden oceans. Could new, exotic life emerge from the chaos? The universe loves a second act, even when Act 1 was annihilation. Think deeper. What if the collapse isn't just a dead end? Some physicists speculate, push enough mass fast enough and you get not just a pulsar, but maybe a black hole or even a wormhole, a portal to who knows where. Would we dare try to send a probe? Or ourselves? Who knows, maybe ancient aliens already made the leap, and Jupiter was just their road sign. Real talk. If you see a wormhole pop up in your neighborhood maybe, don't go inside, unless you really like surprises. But what if Jupiter's fate wasn't an astronomical accident? Imagine, a neutron star drifts unnaturally close, alien megastructures reshape the planet, or a scientific experiment gets way out of hand. What if the universe is more alive, and stranger, than we can possibly imagine? Is Jupiter's transformation just the next move in a cosmic chess game? So, could we survive Jupiter becoming a pulsar? Would we adapt or vanish in a single blinding flash? Where would you run, and what would you save? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. Don't forget to like and share if your mind's officially blown. And remember, in a universe full of mysteries, tonight's nightmare could be tomorrow's prophecy. Stay curious, and watch the skies.